Good morning, my beautiful people in Australia. Blessed, blessed morning. Today is the 15th of March, 2025. This is the voice of MC from Bulldozer from BKM. Fellow citizens, comrades of the mighty APC. You know, yesterday I promised when I say I will dedicate this audio to Alhaji Haramu Usman for the answer there. You know, my fellow comrades of the APC, Bulldozer not hits nobody. God not mark me for hate. But I hate injustice. I hate advantage. Today I want to talk about two people here. Haramu Yansade. If I able compress me audio, I want to talk about Timbo or Abdallah Usman Timbo. I listen to interviews with Khadija at Liberty TV. I want to talk about them two people there. But let me start with Yansane. If time not permits me, I know let me audio pass 15 minutes or 20. I go address Timbo in audio interview. You know, Yansane, now somebody who don't believe in election. Now make any organization with it day. You always manipulate for let them do selection. He's the champion. He's the godfather of that selection. Now the APC party, he loved that because he never win election. Why am I saying that? And my comrades of the mighty APC, I want them to listen carefully. You know, I remember when the APC under Ernest Kumami they try for organize a party. You know, I need to read. When I know say after the NPRC boys overthrown the APC government. When I say for the election 1996, Editure was the presidential candidate make Victor for a running mate. So more or less, this where the people go register the party again. You know, but when the REF, the guy overthrown, I mean Johnny Paul and REF, the guy overthrown Tijan Kaban government, Editure run na America. Mind you, he was the Secretary General of the party. At the same time, he was the presidential candidate. Yansane was Deputy Secretary General. So when Editure ready for Canada America, now he check the documents of the APC. He gave them to Yansane. He said, yeah, all this is how they go America. You know, he said, and the party, anything that has to do with the party. We don't say the Secretary General is a nerve center of any political party, any organization. Now you get this document. Yansane want this document, and it's to Canada America, Yansane go to Guinea because not people get visa for Canada America. You know, and it's to overstay. So the time Editure return now, we forget a convention, a Poloko by Bure Hall. Editure Canada, I say, okay, Yansane, hand over the document. He don't agree. He don't go make deal with Oba Bagbati. Say, okay, listen, I go support you, but I need so money. They gave him $10,000 for let he support Ernest Kumar for the leadership. He don't agree to link his document. So he was acting as acting secretary general until we go convention. When we go convention now him machinate for let Ernest Kumar became chairman and leader. You're always good at when it comes to evil setting. When we go by the convention now, he wanted to retain the secretary generalship. So they don't make the position, they don't make Ernest Kumar chairman and leader. They don't elect the organizing secretary. When late Fode Kaloko, may he still rest in peace. They don't elect the treasurer, when Sani Sise is still there alive. And other officers of the party. Yes, I don't want for be secretary general. When I say secretary general, if you say they don't oppose. As he can at the online began and say, no. So there are people them, because Victor Fobi not ready for left the secretary generalship to her, but they don't want them. I'm just lay the emphasis, the reason why Yansane no elect election. So now other people say, pa, this year, he said for can contest, so it look like saying people are not like Yansane. That night, Victor Ford and go talk to. Victor Ford say, okay, me, I be on left farm for this man, but if we not say so, he said, go try. When Victor Ford can at the hall, will not go attest to it, will now be there at the hall. The contest now, Victor Ford say, but he say, fellow comrades, he say, yes, we don't do well. We don't get the party executive. We don't get the chairman leader. We don't get by Kuma. He said, we say, come on. Now they say, Bambali. Now I say, but we don't get the organizing secretary. We say, come on. They say, Bambali. Now I say, but we don't get the treasurer. We say, come on, Bambali. Now I say, but he said, but the position of secretary general for regional balance. He said, but we not left and give it now. At least let there be a regional balance at the APC party. Nine, wild hall turnover. Yes. We are grab. He said, Victor Ford, I nominate you for being Secretary General. From that day, 9, Victor Ford be Secretary General. And we now can attest to this. Since Victor Ford be a Secretary General, APC win 2 elections. This is a man, he not get boundary. He says Southeastern. When he meets Victor Ford, if I not take that, he make something. When I talk now, they conversation, get in beer. I like Southeastern. Then I met with people them. When they talk, say, well, come on, he drink in beer for cocoa. You don't get not, take nothing to make big something. Yes. So Victor Ford became the Secretary General of the APC party. He win election for with 2 terms under Ernest Makoma. All right. So he returned the Secretary Generalship. Ernest Makoma make an ambassador to China. When I remember when Ernest Makoma make an ambassador to China, what did Ernest Makoma do? Ernest Makoma want play Obak Babati, Omega. We want play Ranka. Now he go pull Yansane because he always Yansane in name he always synonymous to any evil plan. He go pull an Ghana. He said they support you for being Secretary General. Because if you don't get this plan, for let them pull Sam Sumana. So he need Yansane for play that role. So you see, fellow comrades, I have nothing partial against anybody, but I know the history of the APC party. I know the players. This is Yansane. From that day, they want Victor Ford defeat Yansane for that election. Now Yansane not believe any election. If you now watch, who been there for this case, NRM, if the case for them not long, but now Obak Babati be the use. Yes, they not be able to put that selection. Fellow comrades, let me tell you now, not to say this selection a bad thing. Not a bad thing, but Obak Babati elects power. You want everything if they under control, if they under in control. Selection is not a bad thing. I went to an election when people they don't understand what this election mean. When I go contest at 078, contest 078 when I BKM, we get the incumbents, one Hassan Sharif, blessed memory. We get Wami childhood friend, name Alusan Sise, engineer Alusan Sise. They say that blessed memory. We get other candidates, Nalo Akase, I don't able to remember my name. They'll get Dr. Eve became myself. So, this is how APC were operating. They put all the candidates in. They called for the incumbents. That's okay. Now, we choose the party chairman. You give it person. The incumbents give person. Then call the other candidates. Now, with the count to the position of Secretary General, you choose person. The other candidate choose person. In fact, me, when they call me, now me choose the Secretary General of the party. So all the candidates, they give opportunity for choose. Not to say when they say selection will be bad deal. But the reason why we challenge selection, it was overused, bastardized by Oga Emega. I make a challenge, I will pull out the constituency. I mean, at the constitution. So this is how APC was operating. But see, knowing Anaskoma and Haramu Yansane, they don't believe in election. I mean, they are against the new constitution. You know, then this is the problem with Yansane. I think I go do Timbo tomorrow, but let me, yeah, I want catch and small. Let's see if I go able to compress that to 15 minutes. You know, Timbo, Abdallah Usman Timbo, a young man, he's likable, very intelligent. And I know Daddy is a man of character. Yes. Because I met with her through one lady when I'm a friend. You know, Timbo, when I'm a young man, them, when I'm not see, when I feature, when I eat, when I cake before no time. Because why am I saying this? This was this person, him, Ibrahim Sori Jr. These were the promising guys. They gave them the mandate for draft that new constitution. Timbo Hola sold 75% of that new constitution. Yes. Now I'm the supervise. More or less, now I'm the senior scribe on that new constitution. These are the people them who allow Timbo, one of the young men who allow Haramu Yansane use them, and nobody Bagbati use them. For them, they put that obnoxious clause that if you want to run for a presidential candidate, if for them they 5 years, can you imagine? Because they're doing this, they don't want Sam Sumana. Like I can always say, my fellow comrades, I'm not a supporter of Sam Sumana, but allow the party to operate in a democratic way. Yes. When I allow the man, when I go put that clause in, you Timbo, now you yes, and they use inside that clause with the other bad clause. I made the constitution, even though we'll get a new constitution, but there are bad clauses there because they do them for the interest of other people. This is the problem I have with Timbo. Nothing passionate. Then come now. When we get the 21-man committee, the judge order us with the reformer Alfred Peter Conte and the executive, they still go do a lower level election. I remember Masiane Bangura, when he look at the constitution, he do a correction. Say Timbo, we're not going to do X, Y, C, A, B, C, D, E. This is a correction in order for the, in line with the democratic, national constitution. We're not going to do X, Y, C amendment. What Timbo go, he go do different thing. He go back on a radio station, you know, and try for defend, you know, the thing what you go do. You know, somebody like that, I caution your character. You understand? I caution your character. And I caution your character because you don't get values, you don't respect the rule of law. You understand? So that's my problem. Yeah. You know. Yeah. So, hey man, come on. Chill. Oh, come on. You are disturbing me. Okay? Yeah. So this somebody like that, you don't get character. Okay? You don't get character. Yeah. So that's the problem I have. Look, yesterday I asked her, what's I mentor? You know? And so what's I mentor? He say you don't get mentor. That don't tell you say it's politically naive. Every politician gets a mentor. Every politician gets a mentor. Me, my mentor when it comes to Sierra Leone politically, Managbaka. Then, when internationally I can tell you say, na Churchill, yes, Thomas Jefferson, and Khrushchev. These are my mentor. When it comes to social justice, I can tell you say, na Baibure. All right? Because he fought for social justice. So this not the problem. I just want school Timbo. You know, when I come up, as many as when I come, as many as when I, for them I contest for the flag bearership. But honestly, we they scrutinize Suna. All right? We they scrutinize Suna thoroughly. This time around, we not put a mediocre. If I don't say all these things, fellow citizens, I left Una with this message. I thank Una very much. May God bless the Republic of Australia. Long live the APC party. You all have a blessed. Please help me share.